messing with the 84 BMW R80RT. The tail light quit working, brake light too, and ain't got no power back there nowhere. I thought it blew a fuse, and it did. Now, the manual and everything I saw online, the fuse block is supposed to be back here. It's just a two-position fuse block with a push-in type fuses. It wasn't there. Wasn't there. It wasn't up under here anywhere. Wasn't back here. Wasn't by the battery. Read the manual again. Manual said it should be back here. And looked up what part's supposed to look like, and it's a little black box. It's what's supposed to be in there. Not on there. Earlier models use it's in the headlight. So ended up pulling the headlight out to find it. These four screws to take the headlight cover off, man, they're not really tricky, but you definitely have to hold your mouth right to get to them. So if you look up in here at the very top here, if you can see where my finger is, that's where the two fuses are. It's the, let me see if I can find them in my pocket here. It's these little white things right there. There's two of them in there. They're 8 amps. They just pop in there. It's got a copper piece that goes across here. Thing was burnt crispy cleaning too. And it had been working, so I really don't know why it quit working, but it popped fuses. Now, according to manual and parts books, 82 was when they started using that other fuse block. So, and this is an 84. Titled as 84, Ven says it's an 84. But they're on the little circuit board in the headlight. I read online where a bunch of guys have these bikes and they're all saying the same thing. Yeah, it's there. It's back behind back on the frame. You don't even have to take tank off or nothing. Yeah, okay. Maybe on theirs, on mine, it was up in the headlight. Getting ready to stick my Brown's kickstand on here while I got it sitting up on the center stand here. And I don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll adjust the valves and sync the carbs maybe. I had to order the damn fuses from, just went down to NAPA, and they didn't have any. He didn't even know what the hell I was talking about. So we'll I think they were like $1.50 or $1.60 a piece, something like that. At the NAPA, he'll have them in the morning, so he can still get them. That's just imagine having no lights, being broke down on the side of the road at night, and you can't see shit. Then you got to find these two fuses up in there to put them in. Pain in the ass. And you know that's when it's going to blow the fuses, when you're out in the middle of nowhere and it's dark 30 and it's dark as midnight out there and ain't no cars around. And maybe you got fuses, maybe you don't. Just a bad place to put fuses at on this thing. I guess I could relocate them off the circuit board. I have to pull the circuit board out and do all that crap, but I'm not doing that right now. I just want to ride, so I'm just putting regular ceramic fuses back in there. And that's it for this one. Just a short one on where the damn fuses were. Not where they were supposed to be, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, you guys have a good weekend. I'll probably ride go riding tomorrow, maybe, if I get this thing halfway decently running. And I mean, it runs decent, just needs servicing really. And the tail light has to work. Headlights worked, turn signals didn't work, brake light didn't work. Anyway, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And I guess I'll do another video on putting the kickstand relocation thing on there later. Guys, take care.